Thank you, Your Excellency, the People's Speaker. My name is Honorable Dr. Patrick Umar. I represent the entire people of Ikorekpene, Esienudem, Oborokara Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I'm a proud son of Akwa Ibom State. I rise to move a motion on the urgent need to investigate the disturbing allegation of corruption against the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, and the Nigerian Correction Service to save Nigeria from ridicule. Mr. Speaker, I crave your indulgence to suspend the relevant rules and allow me to take this motion. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Any seconder?
I represent Aniocha Oshimili Federal Constituency. I'm from Delta State. I move to support the motion as urgent public importance as moved by my dear colleague. I so move. I so second, sorry.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Excellency, distinguished Speaker, distinguished colleagues. My name is Idem Unyime, member representing Ukanafun, Urowanam Federal Constituency of Akwa Ibom State. Your Excellency, I rise to second the motion as moved by my colleague, and then the subject matter is respected. I so second. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, again, my name is Honorable Dr. Patrick Umar. I represent the entire people of Ikorekpene, Esienudem, Oborokara Federal Constituency. I am from Akwa Ibom State. I rise to move a motion on the urgent need to investigate the disturbing allegation of corruption against the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, and the Nigerian Correction Service to save Nigeria from ridicule. The House notes the disturbing and widely circulated publication emanating from Martins Vincent Otse, also known as Verydarkman, against critical Nigerian law enforcement institutions, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, and Nigerian Correctional Service. The House also notes the publication alleges that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, dropped money laundering charges against Idris Okuneye, also known as Bobrisky, upon collection of the sum of 15 million naira. This House further notes that the publication alleges that the Idris Okuneye, upon conviction for abuse and defacing of the naira by the court, did not serve his time at the Nigeria Correctional Service, but was lodged outside the confines of the service. Disturbed about the damning allegations against Nigerian critical law enforcement agencies of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, and the Nigerian Correctional Service, established by these hallowed chambers to fight correction and incarceration persons convicted of crime for correctional purposes, respectively, worried about the negative image and portrayal of Nigeria as a corrupt nation and Nigeria's struggle to redeem itself from such perception. This House resolves to urge the House to set up an ad hoc committee comprising of persons of unquestionable integrity to immediately probe the allegation and report to the House within 3 legislative weeks. I so move. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Important that we need to set up a committee, an ad hoc committee.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It is my opinion that we have an ad hoc committee in the sense that these two committees, there's an impunity on it, and
Mr. Speaker,
ad hoc committee should serve that purpose.
Okay, let's hear from the members.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker.
If they are in agreement or not. Is there anyone who has an amendment?
Olumide Oshoba, representing Abeokuta North, Obafemode, and Odeda Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, my amendment goes thus, that the committees on financial crimes, the committees on reformatory institutions, join and investigate this matter. There should be a joint committee on financial crimes and reformatory institutions. Thank you.
Any seconder to this amendment? Yes, I can see the face clearly. Ambassador, please go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Second the motion, representing Gombe Home Federal Constituency. I second the motion. Every moved for amendment of this motion. I so move. I say second. Thank you.
Aye. Those against, you say nay. The ayes have it. Aye. Aye. Those against, you say nay. The ayes have it. This motion is referred to the Committees on Financial Crimes and which other one? Reformatory institutions for further legislative action.